Python integration in Excel, unlocking advanced data analysis. Welcome to today's exciting exploration of Python in Excel. If you are an Excel enthusiast or a data-driven professional, you are in for a treat. In this video, we are going to dive into fascinating world of Python integration in Excel. But wait, you might be wondering why Python in Excel? Well, imagine having the power of one of the world's most versatile and popular programming language right at your fingertips within your trusty Excel spreadsheets. That's exactly what we are going to discover today. Whether you are a data analyst or a financial wizard, a business professional or scientist, or just someone who wants to supercharge their Excel skills, Python integration in Excel has something for you. It's like giving your spreadsheet superpowers. In the next few minutes, we'll take you on a journey through the evolution of the Python in Excel. We'll uncover its origin, see how it became an official part of Excel's toolkit, and explore some incredible things that you can do with it. So if you have ever dreamed of automating a repetitive task, performing advanced data analysis, or creating stunning visualizations right in Excel, you are in the right place. Python in Excel is all about taking your Excel game to the next level. Buckle up, because we are about to embark on an exciting adventure that will transform the way you work with data in Excel. Get ready to discover the magic of Python in Excel. History of Python in Excel. Part 1. Early third-party solutions. In the early days of Excel, native support for Python scripting was limited or non-existent. Excel primarily focused on its built-in functions and Visual Basic applications for automations. Excel users often encountered tasks that required more advanced data analysis, statistical calculations, or machine learning, which are areas where Python excels. Users wanted to automate a repetitive task and streamline data workflows in Excel. Python, with its extensive libraries and scripting capabilities, was an ideal choice for automation. Hence, looking at all these requirements early on, PyXLL and similar third-party solutions acted as bridge between Excel and Python. They provided the necessary integration to run Python code directly within Excel, making it possible to use Python as a scripting language for Excel tasks. These solutions eventually paved the way for an official integration of Python in later versions of Excel, making it even more accessible to the users. Excel 2016 Power Query integration. In 2016, Excel introduced Power Query, a powerful data connection and transformation tool. While not Python integration per se, Power Query allowed users to connect to external data sources, including Python scripts. Excel 2019 Python as a scripting language and integration with Power Pivot. In 2019, Excel took Python integration to the next level by officially recognizing Python as a scripting language within Excel. Users could write and execute Python code directly within Excel, and user can configure data refresh options. This ensured that the data model remains up to date, especially when the source data changes. Further, Excel added the capabilities within the Power Pivot data model, where the users can add calculated columns and measures that leverage Python scripts for data transformation and analysis. Python scripts are included using the data analysis expression formula language, which is compatible with the Power Pivot. Additionally to aforementioned developments, it introduced support for the Jupyter Notebooks Anaconda as add-ins. Anaconda in particularly is known for its extensive collection of Python libraries and packages, including NumPy, Pandas, SciPy, Matplotlib, and scikit-learn, among others. Excel users can tap into the rich ecosystem to perform a wide range of data analysis tasks, from statistical analysis to machine learning, enhanced data visualization, and automation of tasks using Python. Azure Functions integration. Keeping in mind the big data requirements, Microsoft integration of Excel with Azure Functions represent a powerful combination that enables scalable Python calculations in cloud. This integration brings several advantages for the organizations and professionals seeking to leverage Excel's familiar interface alongside the computational power and scalability of Azure Functions. Here's an overview. Number 1. Seamless integration. Microsoft has integrated Excel with Azure Functions, allowing the users to trigger and execute Python calculation hosted in Azure directly from their Excel spreadsheets. Number 2. Scalability. Azure Functions are serverless compute services that automatically scale to accommodate varying workloads. This scalability is essential for handling large datasets, performing complex Python computations efficiently, and user can free up local resources on their computers. Number 3. Real-time results. User can receive real-time results from Python calculations in cloud cloud, ensuring that analysis and reports are always up to date. Number 4. Integration with data sources. SEO functions can access data from various sources, including cloud databases, data lakes, and web services. This flexibility enables seamless integration with external data sources for analysis. Number 5. Advanced Python libraries. SEO functions can use advanced Python libraries and packages for data analysis, machine learning, and more. This allows for a wide range of data-related tasks within the cloud environment. Number 6. Security and compliance. SEO provides robust security measures and compliance certification, ensuring data protection and regulatory compliance when performing Python calculations in the cloud. Number 7. Collaboration and sharing. Collaborators can access and use Excel workbooks with SEO functions even if they don't have extensive Python or cloud computing knowledge. This facilitates collaboration on data analysis projects. Number 8. Cost efficiency. SEO functions offer cost efficiency as a user only pay for the compute resources consumed during the execution of the Python calculation. This can result in a cost saving compared to maintaining and scaling on-premises infrastructure. Python in Excel, 22nd August 2023. Excel makes it possible to natively combine Python and Excel analytics within the same workbook with no setup required with Python in Excel. You can type Python directly into the cell and the Python calculation runs in Microsoft Cloud and results are returned to the worksheet, including plots and visualizations. Python in Excel will also be natively integrated directly into the Excel grid. To get started, simply use the new py function, which allows you to input Python code directly into the Excel cell. Tap into the potential of well-known Python charting libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn to creating a wide variety of charts, spanning from conventional bar charts and line plots to specialized visualizations such as heat maps, violent plots, and many more. Leveraging the capabilities of Python libraries like scikit-learn and statsmodel to apply the popular machine learning, predictive analytics, and forecasting techniques such as regression analysis, time series modeling, and much more. Python also make efficient use of the advanced data cleaning techniques such as locating missing values, standardizing formats, removing duplicates, and employing techniques like regular expression for pattern-based transformations. Users can share Python and Excel workbooks with confidence. Teammates can seamlessly interact with and refresh Python and Excel based on analytics without needing to worry about installing additional tools. In conclusion, the integration of Python into Excel opens up the world of possibilities for the users of all backgrounds, from data analysts and engineers to business professionals and students. It's powerful synergy that combines Excel's familiar interface with Python's data analysis, automation, visualization capabilities. By embracing this integration, you're not only streamlining your workflow, but also unlocking the potential for deeper insights, more efficient data manipulation, and the ability to tackle complex tasks effortlessly. Whether you are just starting or an experienced user, Python in Excel is a game changer that empowers you to excel in your data-driven endeavors. So don't hesitate to explore this exciting fusion of technologies and embark on a journey of enhanced productivity and innovation. Give it a try and you'll soon discover the incredible advantage it offers. Your data-driven world awaits. Seize it with Python in Excel. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, then make sure to like, subscribe, and share the channel for more Excel and Python tutorials.